50 of the top-selling anti-aging products for 2024. Ranked from number 1 to 50. 1. Hanacure All-in-One Facial Starter. 2. Meaningful Beauty Youth Activating Melon Serum. 2. Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Max Hydration Cream. 4. Kate Somerville Peptide K8 Power Cream. 5. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. 6. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. 7. ELTAMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. 8. Dr. Barbara Sturm Super Anti-Aging Face Cream. 9. IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. 10. The Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2%. 11. Current Body Skin LED Light Therapy Face Mask. 12. Sunday Riley Auto Correct Eye Contour Cream. 13. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. 14. Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream. 15. Burt's Bees Renewal Firming Moisturizing Cream. 16. No 7 Future Renew Damage Reversal SPF 40 Day Cream. 17. Inky List Retinol Serum. 18. Skin Cuticles CE Ferulic. 19. Drunk Elephant A Passiony Retinol Cream. 20. Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. 21. Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Booster. 22. Clarins Double Serum. 23. Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. 24. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. 25. Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. 26. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. 27. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. 28. Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. 29. Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. 30. Vichy Lift Active Peptide C Anti-Aging Ampules. 31. Dr. Dennis Gross C Plus Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. 32. Garnier Skin Active Clearly Brighter Anti-Aging Moisturizer. 33. L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Moisturizer. 34. Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. 35. Clarins Multi-Active Day Cream. 36. Osmosis Skincare Rescue Epidermal Repair Serum. 37. Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. 38. SkinMedica TNS Essential Serum. 39. PCA Skin X-Linea Peptide Smoothing Serum. 40. Belif The True Cream Aqua Balm. 41. Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream. 42. Hada Labo Tokyo Skin Plumping Gel Cream. 43. Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask. 44. Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. 45. Eucerin Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. 46. L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream. 47. Philosophy Ultimate Miracle Worker Multi-Rejuvenating Cream. 48. Avène Retrin AL 0.1 Intensive Cream. 49. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. 50. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. These products are recognized for their effectiveness in addressing various signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture improvements.